Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix auto rotate is not working in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. If you're using Galaxy Z Flip 5 and you want to fix that your auto rotate is not working, so let's see some possible way to fix this issue. The very first way, you just have to scroll on your control center, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled your auto rotate. So you might see the portrait option here, just click on it, it will be switched to auto rotate. Now your auto rotate is enabled. You can easily use your auto rotate, but you have to keep in mind that if you want to rotate your screen on your home screen, so you are unable to do this your phones or your auto rotate this on your home screen. If you want to rotate your screen, you have to open any app. So let's say I'm going to open Play Store. So in my Play Store, you can see my screen is now rotated. I can easily use auto rotate, but when I switch to home screen, it go as it was. So this is the actual way you can use auto rotate. But if you are facing the issue that the auto rotate is not working on your home screen and also in your apps, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first way to fix the issue, you can go to settings, go to software update, and just make sure that your software is up to date. After updating software, just go back, scroll down this control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. Sometimes it might be that there will be any software glitch or any technical issue due to you're facing these type errors. So you just have to make a forced restart, or a simple restart can also fix software glitches or technical errors. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. But if you're still facing the same issues, there's the only way. Just go to settings app again, go to general management, go to reset, select reset all settings, and click on reset settings. Now click on reset again to confirm to reset your phone setting. It will not delete any kind of your data. It will just reset all your phone settings to default. And once you have done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.